Hi guys, welcome to the Travel Light Adventure Duo podcast. I'm your host Melanie Tucci. My partner Enzo Nitti is sitting this one out because I'm going on a solo trip. And I am actually going to do the Camino de Santiago. I am doing the French route, so I'm doing the Camino Frances, and it will take me anywhere from 30 to 40 days to complete. So this is my very first Camino. I am an experienced backpacker and hiker, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm taking in my backpack. And this will be really good because I'm going to show you guys some of my all-time favorite gear that I take on every backpacking trip. So even though it's my first Camino, I do have a lot of experience, so this is a lot of very curated items. So I'm going to get started. And I will start off with my trusty backpack here. This is my Osprey Exos 48-liter lightweight backpacking bag. I have had this backpack since 2015 and it is still in really excellent shape. And I love the 48-liter size. I think it's appropriate for pretty much any journey that you're going on. So whether it's a week in Europe or a couple of months, it doesn't matter. This bag can really do anything. I've taken it to Patagonia, Everest Base Camp, Peru, Colombia, all over South America. So everywhere I backpack, this is the 48-liter bag that I take with me. So, and also this goes in the overhead bin, no problem. So I always take this as a carry-on bag. And next up, I'm going to tell you what shoes I'm bringing. So these are my Brooks Cascadia trail running shoes. I've been wearing different versions of these shoes since about 2015, so almost 10 years as well. I've had many pairs of them, and I'm just a trail runner girl. I'm not a boot girl. I'm just a lot more comfortable in trail runners. So these are a waterproof version. I think they're the Brooks Cascadia 16. Yeah, they're the 16. And I love these shoes. The only other shoes that I'm taking with me are these Teva hiking sandals. So I always take an extra pair of sandals. They're lightweight. And at night, you really want to get out of your shoes and put on something a little more comfortable. So I absolutely love my Teva sandals. And next I will start showing you all the clothes that I'm taking. I am taking 3 long sleeve layers, so 2 jackets and then a wind jacket. And the warmest layer that I'm bringing is this Patagonia. I think it's called the Nano Air. I've had this for a long time. It's super lightweight, and this is just like a really warm, cozy layer. I don't know how much I'm gonna need it on the Camino because I'm starting in May, but we'll find out. And then I'm also taking this Cotopaxi. This is just a wind jacket. Really lightweight, fun colors. So I'm gonna take that. And then this is a newer item for me. This is the brand KUHL, KUHL. So I got this jacket recently and I just totally love it. It's really breathable and lightweight, and I wear it several days hiking in a row and it doesn't get stinky. So absolutely love this jacket. And then for the rest of my top layers, I have 2 of these Patagonia Capilene t-shirts. And it's a short sleeve, and this is what I'm going to hike in most days. The Patagonia Capilene shirt is my favorite hiking shirt. Totally love it. Get them in every color. And then I'm also taking 1 merino wool hiking shirt. This is brand KUHL as well. Great shirt. You can wear it for a week straight and it doesn't smell. It's amazing. And then I will go to my pants. I'm taking 1 pair of pants. These are my all-time favorite hiking pants. They're from REI. They are an outdoor Afro and REI co-op collaboration. They're lightweight, they're warm, but not too warm. They're loose fitting, but they also they look nice and they have great pockets. So love these pants. I am taking 2 pairs of shorts. These are just cool hiking shorts, very lightweight. And then 1 pair of Vuori biker shorts. And I am taking one cool hat, a buff, a cute buff. Love having a buff, always travel with one of these and wear them when I'm hiking. It's nice for chilly mornings. You can pull it up over your face or keep your neck warm. And then I have 2 sports bras. I have 4 pairs of darn tough hiking socks. 2 handkerchiefs because I notice that my nose runs a lot when I'm hiking, especially in the cold weather. I have this warm Patagonia headband. This is one of my favorite pieces of gear, honestly. I love this thing. This will be great for chilly mornings as well. And I also have a swimsuit because I'm going to be in a beach town before I start the Camino. And I'm not sure, there might be some lake swimming opportunities. I don't know along the Camino, I'll find out, but I am taking this swimsuit just in case. And then the only clothing item that is not pictured is my underwear because I don't want to put them in the video, but I will be taking probably 5 to 7 pairs of underwear, and then I will be hand washing all of this stuff along the route. And last but not least, I have my poncho. This is really big. It's Frog Togs brand. I got it on Amazon. This goes over my backpack, so I'm not taking a rain jacket or a backpack cover. Stay tuned to see if that was a good idea in the follow-up video, but I am just taking this giant poncho. And then I have my towel. So this is a really lightweight backpacking towel. If you're gonna bring a towel, which I think you should, I would bring something that's super lightweight, and this is also a really good size. So great towel, very light. I think I got this on Amazon, but I may have bought it at Decathlon, I'm not sure. And all of my clothes are going into packing cubes. These are just REI packing cubes to keep everything organized. And then I also have these Eagle Creek little packing cubes that I put gear in to keep things organized as well. All right, let's move into my smaller items. So next up, I'll go over a couple of these things. I am taking my trekking poles. These are from Decathlon, and I'm not a big trekking pole gal, but I figured hiking 30 to 40 days, I'll probably want to use them at some point. And then I also have this sitting pad. This is from Decathlon. This thing weighs next to nothing. And it's really nice to, like, if you're just going to have lunch and you're going to sit in a field, it's really nice to have this sitting pad as just like a little cushion. Keeps your pants clean if you're sitting in a dirty area. And I just find this to be like a really just helpful item. Not completely necessary, but I think it'll add a little comfort along the way. And then I have my Sea to Summit sleeping bag liner. So I'm not taking a sleeping bag. I decided to just bring a liner. So this adds some warmth and comfort at nighttime. And next up, I will show you my miniature backpack. So this is a super lightweight day pack. And I use this like when I get to the albergues. I'm going to just put whatever I need. If I want to walk around town, I'll drop off my big backpack and then put some little items in here and take this to dinner with me and just keep my passport in here. So that's always with me as well. So I always travel with this little foldable day pack, and I just absolutely love this thing. I also keep this with me on the plane, and I put my snacks and my hand sanitizer and whatever else I need on the flight in this little backpack. So that stays with me pretty much at all times. But when I'm hiking during the day, I just fold it up and put it in my main backpack. Okay, next I'm going to talk briefly about my blister prevention. So since it's going to be such a long trip, blisters are a real risk. So I did a lot of research in what blister prevention to bring. This is my first time traveling with sheep's wool, literally from New Zealand. And I did some research. I found this on people recommending this on a Facebook group. So if you start getting some friction, you put a little bit of the wool between your toes. It weighs pretty much nothing. It's just like a handful of sheep's wool. And it's supposed to really help with the blisters, preventing blisters. I also have Compeed. These are blister bandages that I got on Amazon. Vaseline. Don't hike without your Vaseline. This is so clutch. If you have any friction at all, just put some Vaseline on it and it stops it immediately. And then I also have Tiger Balm for massaging sore muscles, some moleskin and regular Band-Aids, and some bandage tape, which I find is really helpful to travel with. Next up, I have this massage ball. So at night, this is really lightweight. I get to camp and I put it on the ground and I massage my feet. This thing is awesome. Totally recommend. Love it. I have some energy goos. I'm only bringing 4 of them. They're pretty heavy, so these are kind of like an indulgent item. And they have caffeine, sodium, and amino acids. And I figured it would just help in the first couple of days when I'm in the mountains. They're just kind of a nice little treat to have. I also have some electrolyte tabs. And of course, my passport and my wallet. And then for sleeping soundly, I have my earplugs and my eye mask. Wet wipes and some toilet paper just in case. I have a mask that I plan on wearing on the plane. And then this is another item that I take on the plane with me. So this is like this funny thing I got on Amazon called Flex Flap Air Glow. And it allows me, like I bend it over the front seat or in that pocket where they put the magazines. And then it allows me to like mount my phone so I can watch movies on the plane. It's pretty handy and it weighs nothing. Then I have a journal and a pen. Some cash, my platypus water bottle. So I use this when I, like at nighttime when I get to the albergue and I don't want to walk around with my Camelback bladder that's in my backpack. I fill this up with water and take it around town, and it's reusable. I love the platypus bottle. I got this on Amazon. I have some snacks for the flight. These are not coming on the Camino with me, but these are just for the plane. And then sunscreen. 1 bottle of sunscreen, and then I have this sunscreen stick that I'm going to keep in my front pocket of my backpack so I can easily pull it out and apply sunscreen throughout the day. I have a KUHL cloth, which ladies, you can look up what this is. This comes in handy when you're hiking a lot. And sunglasses, hand sanitizer, my headlamp. This is a lightweight battery pack that I picked up on Amazon recently, and it has its own charger on it. So I like this a lot. My iPhone charger, AirPods, my charging block, and a outlet converter. And then I'm bringing these little laundry clips because I have heard from, on Facebook groups, I've heard people recommending these. So after you do your laundry and you want to hang your stuff to dry, sometimes it is windy and it'll blow away. So you can use these clips to clip it on a line or wherever you want to dry your laundry. And then I also have these safety pins, and these are for if I'm like washing my socks and then I want to dry my socks and hang them off my backpack. I can use these, so that'll be fun. I've never traveled with those things before, but I saw those recommended on different Camino groups. And then a mini sewing kit. All right, we are almost done. This is my little healthcare, my healthcare items. So I have, this has some Tylenol and ibuprofen. I have Zicam, like zinc. I take that if I start feeling sick at all. some Dayquil. I have Pepto-Bismol chewables for an upset stomach, and then I have a laxative just in case, never know. And I have some cough drops. These can be super handy if you get sick, and they are lightweight, so I always take a couple cough drops with me. And then I have Q-tips. This is my tweezers and nail clipper. Deodorant, hopefully this is enough. This is a tiny deodorant. My razor. My face lotion. And then toothbrush, toothpaste, floss. My beauty items, which are my hairbrush. I'm using a shampoo bar. This is my first time traveling with a shampoo bar, so we'll see how that goes. And then I have some leave-in conditioner and some Dr. Bronner's, which I use as body wash, hand wash, laundry soap. I love this stuff, biodegradable, it's great. And then I have, this is my toiletry bag. So it's Sea to Summit, and it's got this hook on it. I thought it would be super convenient. This will be my first time hiking with it, so I am excited to take that. And yeah, like I said, all this stuff fits in the overhead bin. I have weighed it, and it weighs, with water, it weighs about 19 pounds. So once I eat some of these energy gels and start kind of getting rid of some of the stuff as time goes on, my pack will probably end up being like 17 or 18 pounds or so. And yeah, I'm super excited, and I'm going to do a follow-up video when I get back home in a couple of months and tell you guys exactly, I'll go over everything that we went over in this video and tell you what I loved, what I could have lived without, and yeah, I'm excited. Thanks for watching.